In this video, we are going to learn how to install Asterisk 22 on Linux. In this case, the Ubuntu version 20. I have a video about Ubuntu 24, but some users ask me how to install on Ubuntu 20. It's more or less the same, and you have all the recipe on the description of this video. Okay, let's start with the installation of the package. So I will just copy the lines, apt-get update. So let's install all the packages. Okay, now we have everything installed. So let's go to the search directory. Great. So now let's download Asterisk 22. So wget. Let's download and uncompress. Okay, now let's do cd asterisk 22.20, and then let's configure. And after configuring, let's do the make. Done. So now we have everything. If you want to customize your installation, you can do make menu select and select what you want on a system. Okay, so there are things. So these are some of the applications, channel drivers. You can see now that we don't have even chansip to install anymore. So now it's mandatory. You have to use chanpjsip. There's no chansip anymore here, right? Not even to install. This is something important. So you need really to learn pjsip now. Great. So let's save and exit. We can remove some things. So I don't need a Unisteam. Audio socket. Okay. pjsip, super important. IX, maybe. Bridge media. Okay, let's make it this way. Great. So now let's compile. So I will do make install, make config, and make samples all at the same time. This will take some time, so I will pause here the video and you see at the end. Okay, we just finished the installation. So let me start Asterisk. The first thing I will start in the console mode. So VVV, G for debug, and C for console. Console. Okay, we have some errors here in the morning. SQLite custom declined to load. This is because the CFG is not configured. These are a non-mandatory module, so no worries. Everything it's working. So this is the console. I can't do quit here because I'm not connected. I'm seeing the real console. So let me do a core stop now to stop the process, right? And after stopping the process, I want to install Asterisk as a background process. So I'll do Asterisk. Now it's in background. I can see the process here. So it's here in on this PID, the process ID. And now I can connect. So now I'm using remote asterisk -r. So I'm in the console again. Now I can do quit just to disconnect from the console. And you can also start asterisk. Let me do pipe grep asterisk and kill 62773. And okay, now let's start with systemd. Systemctl start asterisk. If you want to stop, you can do systemctl stop asterisk. So let me do a systemctl status asterisk. So it's running. Everything seems okay. So the installation on Ubuntu 20 is exactly the same as Ubuntu 24. It's simply working on Asterisk 22, compiled. Everything seems great here.